How do you make money on TikTok? 5 proven ways TikTok allows users to create and share 15-second videos. There are singing, dancing, comedy, and lots of cute cat videos. There are also many opportunities to monetize TikTok, whether you are a content creator or a business owner looking to expand your market.
1. Join TikTok's Creator Fund.
TikTok uses its Creator Fund to encourage popular TikTokers to keep creating engaging content. As a creator, once you have at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 video views over the last 30 days, you have the potential to start earning money. The Creator Fund provides an opportunity for you to earn money doing what you love. The amount you earn is based on a number of factors, including the number of views, authenticity of views, and level of engagement on your content. To start earning with TikTok's Creator Fund, you do need to apply through the Pro/Creator account.
2. Partner with a brand you trust.
It's possible to make money online with TikTok by partnering with a brand you believe in. For instance, if you're a makeup artist who posts makeup tips and tutorials on how to achieve the perfect winged liner, you might want to try and partner with your favorite makeup brand. You can reach out directly to these brands and pitch a partnership.
3. Sell products through TikTok Shopping.
TikTok Shop has an e-commerce solution built right into the TikTok app. There is no need to open a separate browser to shop for a product because you can purchase directly through TikTok. Creators can use TikTok Shop to reach a wider audience and promote their brands and products. Creators can also easily link to products featured in their videos. In addition, there is an opportunity to earn through TikTok Affiliate. You can use the affiliate program to promote brands that are relevant to your followers and then earn a commission on any sales you make.
4. Drive sales with TikTok Ad.
With TikTok's Ads Manager, you can reach new audiences by getting your brand in front of the right viewers. TikTok reports that 1 in 3 users bought a product because they saw it on TikTok. Ads Manager can help you target and find your ideal audience. It offers a suite of creative tools to help you create and edit your videos with tons of ready-to-use video templates. You can also measure the performance of your ads.
5. Participate in affiliate program.
As a creator, you can promote and sell another company's products or services through affiliate marketing. If a viewer decides to buy the product or service based on your content, you earn a commission. Focus on brands you already love and trust to keep your videos authentic.